So good news is finally here. So all of you, those who are waiting for the GoPro Hero 10, they must be very happy after hearing this news. Now this is official that GoPro Hero 10 would be released on 16 September 2021 at 6 p.m. onward. So all the details have not yet been divulged, but all the details of GoPro Hero 10, its feature, its pricing and everything would be revealed only on 16 September 2021 at 6 p.m. onwards. So stay tuned for 16 September 2021 for all the details about GoPro Hero 10. And they have also released a very awesome video. So just check out this video. This is really amazing video. Just check it out.